What's up? I'm MrNoble, and today we have the unboxing of the new T-Mobile Magic Router. Let's get this bad boy unboxed. Are you ready? Come on, man. We gotta see what's in the box. We want to see this router that we've been waiting on for all these months. Let's go. Alright, so let's talk about what's in the box. Alright, let's get this bad boy open. So 5G gateway router, instructions, guide, however you want to say it. We're just going to put that on the side. Get rid of that. There's the magic. The magic is in the air. The magic is in the air. I hope I don't drop this. Let's see what else we got down here. They better not play me again like in one of my other videos, how they played me and wasn't nothing in the box but the router, and I wound up having to send it back because there was nothing in the box. Power cord. That's it. Why do I do this? Why do I have to throw stuff? I really don't know. It's just fun. It's fun to just throw stuff. And don't you like throwing stuff? Alright, so it has a little LED indicator on the power charger. And it is USB-C. Of course, just like the last one. Alright, here's the magic that was floating in the air. Yes. Finally. Let's see what we got at the bottom. Slide, the SIM card tray is now at the bottom instead of in the back, compared to the last one. And let's get this thing unpeeled. And what we have on the back, the Fast 5688W. So on the back we have two Cat 6 connection ports, power button, and also the plug-in power port. Alright, so let's show the comparison between this one and my old router. Give me 1 second. Alright, so here we go. We have the new T-Mobile Magic Router versus the old used to be T-Mobile Magic Router, which is getting switched out today. And this little bad baby is getting shipped back to the T-Mobile store. You got to get rid of it. So this is what it looks like on the back. Pretty much the same, except for they moved it in the middle. And we lost one spot. And like I said, the SIM card is now on the bottom. So this has been an unboxing of my new T-Mobile Home Magic Router. What you think about that? Well, let's get this bad boy hooked up, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace!